In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the number of days remaining until a due date in Notion. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll find it straightforward and incredibly useful for managing your projects. Let's dive right in. First off, open your Notion workspace. This can be done either through your web browser or the Notion app, depending on what you prefer. It's always nice to have everything organized, so make sure you're navigating to the right area where you want to set up this feature. Once you're in, you're going to create a table view by typing in Panto table view. This essentially allows you to work with multiple properties and is perfect for project managing and planning. Now, on the new table view that you've just created, you'll want to click on where it says database at the top. This is a crucial step as it's how you can start inputting the necessary data. With your database ready, go ahead and add names or any other identifying titles that are applicable to your tasks. This will help in associating tasks with due dates clearly, especially if you're managing tasks for multiple people or projects. Next, you'll be adding a key component, the due dates. Click on Add Property and select Date. You'll notice that this adds a new column where you can input the dates that tasks are due. It's wise to label this property clearly so you remember what it stands for. Initial titles might seem a bit generic, so take a moment to rename Date into Due Date. You can do this by simply editing the name when you're prompted. This specificity is beneficial for clarity within your databases, especially when the project becomes larger. With that set, you're going to add another property by clicking on the plus sign again. This time, we're going to use a formula, which is the real powerhouse behind calculating the days remaining. Inside the newly added property, click on Formula. This creates a space where you can input a formula that does the math for you. Renaming this property to Remaining Days will keep everything easily identifiable. Now, to calculate the number of days left until the due date, click on the box below Remaining Days and input the formula, date between prop due date, now, days. What's happening here is that this formula will calculate the difference in days between today's date and the due date. Finally, after entering the formula, click on Done. Notion will automatically calculate and display the number of days remaining for each task you've listed. And there you have it. With this setup, you can always keep an eye on your timelines, ensuring that you're always ahead of your deadlines. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this useful for your productivity setup.